Hello and welcome back with another video. In this video we will solve another problem of completing square method. This is our example number 2, grade 10 mathematics textbook. So the statement, I will write x square minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is the problem we have to solve using completing square method. In our previous video we have seen some steps in which first step is to eliminate coefficient. We have converted our coefficient on right side. Now we know formula a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square. So we know a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square. So we will try to complete this square on both sides. So we have x square minus 3x is equal to 4. If I want to complete this square, the original form remains the same. So what we will do, we write a square means x square minus 2, it's minus because we have minus in this problem. Then we will write a, this is x, then b plus b square, which I will write empty. Similarly, what will be there, b square will be added in the form of square on right side. So in order to get 3x over here minus 3x, I have to multiply by 3 by 2, because 3 by 2 will give us minus 3x, 2 will be cancelled out on both sides. Similarly, 3 plus 2 will be b square here, same. Similarly, 3 plus 2 whole square will be added on right side. What we have added to complete this square will be added on right side also of the equation. So if we back calculate this equation, this will become x square minus 3x, which we have in our problem. So we will complete x minus 3 to whole square is equal to 4, 3 square become 9 and 2 square become 4. Now x minus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to, we will take LCM, 4, this will become 1 4s are 4 and 4s are 16. 4 will be divided and answer will be 1 9. 16 plus 9 24 divided by 4. X minus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 25 by 4. Now same, take square root on both sides of this equation. This will become x minus 3 by 2 and this will give us plus minus 5 by 2. So we will write x, two answers, minus 3 by 2 is equal to plus 5 by 2. X minus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 5 by 2. X is equal to 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2. X is equal to minus 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2. 2 will be LCM. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 by 2. X is equal to 4. Similarly, 2 will be LCM, minus 5 plus 3 minus 2 divided by 2, x is equal to minus 1. So we have two values of x after solving plus and minus. X is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 4. We will check both values of this equation. if both values of x satisfy or not. X square minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. First we have x is equal to 4, then we have x is equal to minus 1, then x is equal to minus 1. Okay, we will put x is equal to 4, minus 3 into 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 16 minus 12 minus 16 is equal to 0. Similarly, x square minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. Minus 1 whole square minus 1, 4 is equal to 0. 1 plus 3 minus 4, 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So both these are the real roots of this equation. So we will write x square minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. For this equation, solution set is equal to 4 minus 1. So this is the solution of this problem. So we have seen this problem by completing square method, in which first we try to complete the square using a plus b or a minus b square. Here some problems will be a minus b, so in this problem we have a minus b. So in this problem we have minus, and x square minus 3x will remain same if we multiply and divide by 3 by 2 in this equation to complete this a square plus b square. Similarly, same we have added on right side. This formula is closed up x minus 3 by 2 whole square. Same, if we take square and take LCM, this will become 25 by 4. Then we have taken square root. We have two values of x, 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Similarly, after putting both these values, we have checked x is equal to 4 and x is equal to minus 1. When we put both these roots in original equation, this will become 0 is equal to 0. So we have solution set of this problem is equal to minus 4. So solution set is equal to 4 and minus 1, and both roots are real. So that's the way how you can solve quadratic equations by completing square methods. Thank you very much.